Host, speaking gently, welcome to the Daily Wellness Watch. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an all-too-common companion. But fear not, because I have a powerful tool to help you find inner peace and relieve stress. Meditation. In this video, I'll guide you through a 10-minute meditation practice that will leave you feeling calm, centered, and ready to face the day ahead. Host, before we begin, find a comfortable spot where you can sit quietly without any distractions. Take a moment to settle in, close your eyes, and let's begin. Host, in a soothing voice, to start, let's focus on our breath. Take a deep inhale, filling your belly with air, and exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Continue to breathe deeply and naturally, letting each breath bring you a sense of relaxation. Host, now, let's bring our awareness to our body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine releasing that tension, allowing it to melt away, leaving your body feeling light and at ease. Host, as you continue to breathe, let any thoughts or worries gently float away. Imagine them being carried away on a gentle breeze, leaving your mind clear and calm. Host, now, let's take a moment to visualize a serene and peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or any location that brings you a sense of tranquility. Imagine yourself there, surrounded by the beauty and serenity of nature. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, hear the gentle sound of waves or birdsong, and let yourself be completely immersed in this peaceful moment. Host, to deepen our state of relaxation, let's introduce a mantra. Repeat a soothing word or phrase silently in your mind, such as peace or calm. With each repetition, feel the vibration of the word resonating throughout your body, bringing you a profound sense of tranquility. Host, as we near the end of our meditation, let's take a moment to express gratitude. Bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for today. It could be something small or significant, personal or universal. Allow yourself to feel a sense of appreciation and contentment for these blessings in your life. Host, take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to savor the calm and peacefulness you cultivated during this meditation. Host, congratulations on completing this 10-minute meditation for stress relief. Remember, even a short daily practice can bring significant benefits to your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. Wishing you a stress-free and peaceful day ahead. Until next time, be well.